Hello YouTube. I hope you guys are okay. Um, I wasn't live last week because we had some weird problems with YouTube because I logged out and did some stuff. So I mean, yes, that's obviously the reason. So I couldn't share it to the YouTube and blah blah blah. So we're back this week. Oh, YouTube has a new layout. Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. Let's grab that. So we have the YouTube chat open. Yep. And we have the Discord chat open. Perfect. Let me just send this out to my bot, which sends it to all the Discords, and then we are good to go. Give me a second, because we need a few more views. Let me get the... So there it is. Okay. Live market breakdown. Bang. Bosh. Then copy this YouTube link. Share. Share. Do I add the thumbnail? Can't be bothered. It's only a thumbnail in it. It's not going to make much of a difference. If they don't want to join, they're not going to join. Live market breakdown. Ping. Okay, we're good. We're live on YouTube. Posted into the Discord. We're live on Discord. Right, let's get to it. If anyone has any questions, you want to share any charts, you want to talk, say hi, feel free, because this one's going to be quite a short one because I don't really think we have much. Hello, Kai. Hello, hello, hello. You want to say hi? Go on, Lytix. You can go off mute if you want to say hi. Oh, you saying it in tech? Okay, never mind. Okay, Lytix said hi. So let's get straight into. Oh god, it doesn't look that too good for you guys, does it? Is it okay on Discord? It's gonna have to do. Okay, so let's first of all start with last week. Yo, you going already, Benchy? See you later, man. How was everyone's last week? Kai, I know you trade. This strat, Lytix, no, you do. Lydia, I don't know if you traded last week at all, or if you just fresh back to it. Personally, I only took GN. Yeah, I think he hates you. Lytix, 1 win GN. Okay, same. Lytix, did you take GN or did you take? Well, yeah, you took GN because you had a higher entry than me. Did you have any more trades or was that it? Just set him up my charts. That's all right. That's fine. Oh, okay. Only gold 1 hour. Damn, is that a solid thing you're doing now, Lytix, or is that forward testing, back testing type thing, or are you just fully committing to it now? Gold 1 hour. No. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, this was I entered at 4.6, which was pretty much bang on the fib with 40.40. That was the 50 fib of this move. Obviously, this move here, we had the 50 retracement with this level, which was absolutely beautiful. Oh, to pass your account. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. And, I mean, yeah, it worked a treat. Unfortunately, for some weird reason, I only got tagged in on literally one of my accounts, which was annoying. I entered at 4.6, which was a little bit lower, like there. So yeah, it was a sniper entry. Worked not pretty fast. Yeah, pretty fast, about 2 hours, 3 hours. And then did obviously quite a few pips, 100 plus, about 100. But yeah, I got tagged in on one account, which is a pain in the ass because I was one trade away from a payout as well. So I'm gonna have to wait for this week, but guaranteed this week I'm then gonna get fucking stop lost, and then I'm gonna need 2 more trades, and it's gonna take a while. That's how it works. It works like that every time. So I'm not too bothered, but I'm on a nice little 3 win streak, so I'm not gonna jinx it or anything. But if we push it to 4, that'd be nice. But I have only taken 3 trades this year. I've only been trading for 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks. Last 2 of January and 1st of Feb. So 3 weeks, 3 trades, and I've missed quite a few. So as in missed because I've not set pendings and kind of forgot, and then also missed because it's missed my entry by a few pips. So yeah, that was it really, GN. So we'll actually go through some analysis now and get to it. If you guys want to send in some charts as well, that is more than fine. We can go over both. My camera's just gone green. Okay. Great. Turn it off, turn it on. Let's just oh my god, I can't even. Oh, there we go. There, I can. Oh, I can't even right click. No. There we go. Okay, thank God. Yeah, my right click. Oh, I can do it on here. I can do it on here, but if I go on like, you know, to copy this and right click, it don't work. But then on here, I can right click completely fine. Don't know why. Don't have a clue why. Right, you guys can now see the red outline. There you go. Yeah, a bit weird. So Euro Aussie dollar. We blasted through this one. I was waiting for a buy from this level because we had a break of this. No shit, we ended up having a reaction, I'm pretty sure. We had a break of this, but then we reacted halfway. Yeah, that's what it was. So we had a break, it then pushed up a little bit and pissed around at this level, so that instantly that was a cancel for this one. I wanted just a nice break. See, like this candle? If we would have had that candle through this level, this one here, then I would have went for that, but we didn't. So unfortunately, that was not a valid trade. But if it was, it would have had the 100 EMA, the break of this level, and obviously the wick, which would have been nice. So unfortunately, that is gone. And the next buy level I see personally is this over here, which is not too bad. So for entries on this, it's a bit of a weird one because the 200 SMA is quite far, 20 pips. So if you did want to enter at the SMA, let's say a tiny bit above, you went 40, it would cover the level, but to me, you're entering so far away from the level there. I know it's only 20, but it looks, I don't know, it looks quite far. So maybe if you went 45, then you'd cover this lower level a little bit. Take profits just before the EMA. Could go for that. So straight away, this is a valid trade for me, the SMA and the level. Plus you have like this break retest level over here. Plus you have the break of this. So if we don't react to like this zone with this EMA here, with this level, then this is completely valid because we've broken through that and we've had a what? Since here we've had solid almost 150 pip move into this level. So for me that is nice. 50 fib, 200 SMA. Hopefully break of previous. That's what I'm hoping for. That'd be perfect. So that is the plan. And then this is 61 fib of this entire move of the big fib, like that. So we have a 61 fib break retest, which is also nice. So if this one then fails, we can then go for this one. So yeah, looking nice. We'll mark out buys and I'll ping an alert out there. And for sells, sorry, we didn't go over sells. We have this very aggressive break retest, which please, 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 it come down a little bit further and then come up to retest this. If it retests it tomorrow, I'd rather not. But if we then, okay, 1 sec. But if we then, tomorrow, we had that aggressive retest and this failed with the EMA, I then would go for that one. Because we've had obviously the break, breach of this, straight into this zone. I mean, yeah, that's why it's nice. And yeah, technically a 23 fib as well. So that is valid for me tomorrow if we see it. Obviously, if we see like market open and it pushes straight to it, obviously I'm not going to go for that. But yeah, let's mark that little zone out there. Let's do that. Make that a bit bigger so it looks nice. And this is, we need 23 fib and we need break of aggressive break retest. So we need a break of that. Shit, did that wrong. Let's just do, yep. That is fine. And then I'm not really bothered about any other sell levels. I can't be bothered. So yeah, that is EA. I'll mark out an alert on this as well. There we go. Okay, so Euro NZD for sells. Anyone see any sells on this? Because I don't. I think that's all disgusting. I'm not really bothered in any of this. I'd rather just wait for like highs and this. You can maybe go for that wick, but I don't really care at the minute. I'm more looking at the buyers. This one, the level's not exactly amazing, but it could be stronger if we see a break of this. If we obviously see a reaction, then it trickles down. I'm not going to be as confident in this really. But if we do see it just continue to smash down below this and we see a nice little rally all the way down, that'd be nice because again, that's like 100 plus pip move. It's not amazing, but it's okay. You have the big 50 fib of this move up and the 100 EMA. So that's nice. And then this is the backup down here with this level, which is this one, 140. And the 61 fib bang on. And then technically you will most likely see the trend line as well, which I'm not going to enter at the trend line because that's quite high, but it's just a nice little additional confidence. So not complaining at all. So that, yeah, that is my analysis for EN. We could maybe see EN and EA come to that buy level at the same time. They look pretty similar, so that could be nice. GA, absolutely nothing. Very, very boring. I was waiting for this with the 61. No, I wasn't. I was chatting shit. I was not. I was waiting for... Swear I was waiting for a break and retest in the 61 or something. Just had the EMA. I swear I was waiting for this trade. No, I guess I wasn't. Okay, never mind. Well, it worked, but we had news. So that got absolutely destroyed. It was a bit annoying, invalid. But yeah, it tagged it perfectly, made a move. So now that is gone. I'm waiting for either this low down here. These levels, I don't like any of this. This is just a bit of a weird zone because you've got that, and you've got that wick as well. So it's just a weird zone to cover. So I'd rather just not go for any of it and wait for all the way down here, which I know is far, but you got to do what you got to do. This break retest isn't the most amazing. It's that 100. Just looks weird on daily, doesn't it? I don't know if it has a fib. That's valid. It's got like the 50. So that is not the nicest, but it's not the worst either. So that's a potentially valid trade. 50 fib. Great retest. Yeah, that could potentially be of interest. We do also have the psych level 1.99 there, so it's not actually that bad. If you see a push tomorrow, then yeah, I'd go for it. EA doesn't really have anything. I doubt it's gonna line up with EA at all. So we'll have to check GN and see if GN potentially has something. So I'll mark an alert out there. This buy I'm not massively interested in. I don't know if anything lines up. Let's see. 61. I'm not entering 40 pips above though. So you do have the 61, but yeah, that's going to be a big zone. So you can use it as a nice little confluence, but I'm not going to base entries around it because yeah, that's going to fuck me up a little bit. So GA is currently sells from the break retest. GN is the exact same as GA. We tapped into this top retest, but this bottom one missed. Not interested in that. Not interested in anything here. It's literally just high and low. That's it. So I'm not even going to mark it out, to be honest. We'll just see when we get there. We need alignment timing for this and this. I guess we can do that, can't we? Alignment timing. Alignment timing. Obviously, we could have a breach previous level, but there is no level 2 breach. So alignment and timing for both of them. GJ, we've had a nice push, broke the low finally, which was the end of 2024 low, and now we're pushing to, well, damn, pushing pretty low, aren't we? Let's look at the weekly. Oh, we have a big ass weekly EMA coming. Big weekly EMA. Okay, I didn't see that. So we could quickly mark that out. Let me just put that like there. Oof, that does make this zone. Oh, no, it doesn't. No, that's okay. So let's go like that. Let's add weekly 100 EMA. Come on. Weekly 100 EMA. How wide is that? Like 40 something, wasn't it? Yeah, bit of a tough one for entries again. It's at 0.8, the psych level. Top of it is at 0.2. Shit, that is quite big. So again, I don't know if I'd be willing to enter at first confidence on this one, but it's a nice zone for sure, especially with this big ass move down. Really nice push down. Yeah, it's reacted off some of the levels, but that is a strong move down. We have the break retest, obviously. We have the more aggressive one, and then we have the more conservative one, similar to EA. Aggressive, conservative. For GJ, I don't think I'd go for that first one. I would much rather go for that second one, I think. Let's just whack a fib on there quickly. The fibs are pretty much going to be useless because it's going to be most likely going to push lower before coming up to these levels. But that currently has the 50, which is nice. The top one doesn't really line up with anything unless you want to line up with that. And the reason I'm going for this top one as well is just for entries as well, because this, oh god, and this, it's going to be awkward as shit for the stop loss. Like if you are entering, let's say, just below the break retest, you got 50. You've then got this level just below, just above, sorry, 20 pips above. So it's a bit of an awkward one. So I'd much rather, and we've already technically seen a reaction of this break retest. Price broke below, immediately came back up, retested and pushed below. So you can maybe look at this level and this level now. Which then for me, I'd much rather just play it safe and go for this top one. So that is my little zone of interest, to be honest. I'm not as fussed for the first one. Unless we see really nice alignment timing type thing. Yeah, I'd go for it, but I'd much rather go for this one. Yeah. Okay. We'll see if it even ends up lining up. 50 fib. Break retest. Need breach of previous. Need breach previous. There we go. I'll ping an alert on like just before the break retest. There we go. So sells and GJ. This buy, I'm not massively keen, but again, if we have like alignment or something, timing, that'd be really nice. Like Monday afternoon, London close, that'd be perfect. UJ didn't really have any buy levels, so it's a bit of a bummer. UJ is pretty much already done. I posted that on the Instagram before, actually. Yeah, UJ is just break retest. That's the main thing of interest, but again, we're most likely going to break lows, so it might not even be valid. But it does have the big 50, so we could break down to here and then see it, but obviously that's going to be a while then. Hello, Wayfam. Hello. This all this is shit to me. That. I'd rather just wait for this one. Whenever we have like a messy zone like this, I'd just rather wait for the top one, to be honest. I don't want to get involved with any of this because then managing it and stop loss and stuff is just awkward. Super awkward. So the break retest, perfect, really nice EMA. And that level has worked, so that's gone. We then have this down here. I need alignment or timing for the first one. But if we don't have that, I'd rather wait for a breach of this and go for this one. It is being recorded. Yeah. It's being recorded. At least I hope. Yes, it is. Are we going to see a gap on plastic / USD? Yeah, I saw that thing with Biden. I didn't properly read it, but yeah, I saw that. Yeah, interesting one, huh? Plastic USD. Let's see if you can trade plastic. You can probably trade plastic companies that deal in plastic, or you can find a stock that actually deals with plastic straws and creates plastic straws. Yeah, UJ. I'm not really bothered. Maybe the break retest could align, but I doubt it. Highly doubt it. GU, I don't care. I honestly don't care. I think GU's fucking disgusting. I might just get rid of it soon. Yeah. It's just useless at the minute. I really don't like the price action on it. I think it's by far the worst pair to trade out of the ones I've got right now. So I might just fuck it off. All these levels are shit. That's the only good buy level, which has nothing. All of these are just terrible. None of them are tradable. They're all shit for management. Are you trading weather derivatives? That's an interesting one. Lost what I was going to say. Oh, yeah. GU is shit. Yeah, so I'm not even going to do analysis on that. Gold is my favorite thing. Oh, actually, I found a private reg. Because I'm getting a car very soon. Probably when I get back from London. After next week, I'm probably going to go look at one and grab some. But I was looking at private regs. I'm not going to tell you the exact, but it's something XAU. That's the only cool thing I could get. So I'm going to have XAU in it. So it's like something XAU. Or I couldn't get an MCR one because nothing really matched it. I could have an MCR, but then random letters for the rest of it. But yeah, I didn't want random letters. I wanted something that actually meant something, you know? So it's something XAU. I thought that'd be cool. And it's cheap. I'm not spending thousands on a reg. Have you condensed your pairs? I have, Lydia. I went from that to just that. So yeah, way easier. And I'm taking just as many trades. Literally just with them. That's it. And these for alignment. I'm taking more trades than what I was with that. Crazy. Because the types of levels, oh yeah, Lydia, you haven't caught up on the stuff. The types of levels I'm looking at now are very different to what I used to look at. I used to look at very big like swing levels last time, whereas now I'm looking at like a lot of intraday smaller levels, which work just as nice. What color are you gonna make the Lambo? Yeah, that one's not happening. That one's not happening for a while. See, I'm being sensible because I'm saving for a house because I want to buy a house next year. So I am not going to spend silly money on a car. And instead I'm gonna save up a tiny bit more, buy a house next year, and then I'll get a car. House is a crazy step. Yeah, I know. I've been saving for ages. And so has my girlfriend. So yeah, we're most likely going to buy a house together next year. Maybe even end of this year, to be honest. No, probably not. No. It'll take us ages to find one. Yeah. How much is a house in the UK? Average price, probably about 200-ish from where I am. It depends if you want a nice area. Like anywhere from 150 to 300k pounds. That's like cheap to okay. That's nothing. Yeah, I mean, it's actually pretty good in Manchester. Like even in nice areas in Manchester, like where all the footballers live and stuff, you can still get something okay for like more towards obviously the 300k. Whereas if you go down to London, you can't even get a flat, like a 1-bedroom flat for 300k. You probably can actually, I don't know. 1 mil, that's crazy. Yeah, don't worry, my office. You know what office I want? I want like the old money, like office library. Yeah, like no. You know, like that type thing. That would be kind of cool. Imagine that for like the setup, like the live stream setup. However, obviously, it's not exactly the most practical. Like if I want a quad monitor setup, it's not gonna work. But you get the vibe I'm talking about, like like this. Imagine like inviting the boys round. You're talking business. You have a little cigar cupboard. You pop out like the little poker. That'd be sick. And you have like jazz music playing. There you go. You and the boys on the round table. That'd be cool. But no, I realistically no, I won't have anything like that. I'll just have a normal room. Small 2-bedroom house here is 1.2 million CAD. Damn. That's crazy. Fucking hell, that's a bit. Yeah, that's quite a bit actually. That is a bit. Yeah, that's quite a lot. That is pretty shit. You gotta move, man. That is a lot. And it takes a while. I'm interested in the 50 fib. Do we have any bigger fibs? Oh yeah, shit ton. Worst housing market. I was looking at Australia as well. They have just as bad of a housing market. Like the rental prices are crazy. And even to find a house to rent, you've got to be like in groups and on lists for fucking ages. But yeah, I've heard that the market in Canada is pretty bad. Okay, we have a few fibs. Yep, that's valid. That's valid. That's valid. That's valid. I don't know. You can kind of use and abuse the fibs here and find something that works out, which I don't really like, but yeah, it works. So that's the 38. That's the 50. You have multiple fibs. You can then go for this really short-term fib and say, yeah, it's got the 50. So this has a bunch of fibs. This one has a few. So that is what I'm looking at. And then obviously if we see a nice breach of this, because that doesn't really align with anything, could go for it, but then again, your stop loss is going to be awkward. Yeah, no, I'd much rather just go for this. Like that. That's what I'd go for. You would be scared to die. I doubt you're going to die. I think that's a bit dramatic. I don't think it's as bad as it sounds. Like crocodiles and snakes and spiders and stuff. Everything now. Yeah, I mean, I'd rather live in Australia than America, though. I'd rather get attacked by a kangaroo than shot by a homeless guy or stabbed. Yeah. Ugh. Lives there. It's a movie. Oh, this is the gold analysis, and I'm pretty much done. Anyone have any interesting setups? Gold, we have 50. DXY, let's have a look at DXY levels. Fucking boring. We have that 4-hour level, which could maybe push with something. Not gonna look at bonds, don't really need to. Silver, that works a treat. We have this, that, yep. This level just above, and that break retest level, 4-hour. You have that 4-hour level for gold with that other 4-hour level. So I guess silver, let's see if, and I don't know if it's going to align or not. And then stocks, let's draw some levels on stocks. Just to stay updated at least. Whack these on, whack that, whack that. You got a big intra level here. And you'll of course have that. That's all I see really. Look at this. You sent that into the group chat today. Damn, that is big. Okay, yeah, that's kind of big. That is huge. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. I'll just try for a few. It's crazy. Just looking at this on EU, be gentle, I haven't traded Forex. Okay. Yeah, that's terrible. That is really bad. Joking. First of all, your fib isn't drew to the high, which is annoying. You need to get that fixed up right there. Has to be spot on. Come on. No, that's nice, man. That's nice. Regarding a 4-hour setup, is that 4 hour? Yeah. For a 4-hour setup, yeah, that's good. That's a nice level. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, don't see anything wrong with that. That's good. That's good setup. Just obviously, if you're trading AU, you need to be aware of obviously USD, and big boy Trump, and if we've got any like market flows or drivers or anything. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Anyone have any questions or want to go over anything? Oh, also, I'm just about to pay the first half of a little fee to a Discord bot developer that I'm working on with someone else. And if you guys remember this bot we have, which doesn't work at the minute, it's back and forth, back and forth. Remember this one that posted like in the morning what news would release? It's basically this, but on steroids. Like it, yeah, way nicer, like a lot nicer. And it'll be exclusively just for MCR and one other server. We won't be giving it to anyone else. So yeah, it'll be able to grab all the news, make it really nice so it can see like your time zone. It'll say the consensus and the previous, and when the actual comes out, it'll tell you the actual. It'll give you a reminder 1 hour before news releases and 5 minutes before. Then as soon as news releases, it'll then tell you the actual, so you know the deviance. And yeah, you can do a bunch of stuff with it. So hopefully that's getting worked on. When is it? Let's see. February 10th. Starting tomorrow. So, don't know how long it'll take. I think you said about a week to complete. So maybe by next Sunday. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I won't need to use Forex Factory anymore or anything like that now. It would just be in a Discord, and it'd literally just be, yeah, Forex news. It'll tell you each morning. We can also do it so it tags you as well. Great, I've just lost the Discord. So we can have a tag, so it tags you each morning and tells you what news is releasing. When it's releasing, what the previous sentiment was, and a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, we'll see how it turns out. And then also, I'm just about to potentially start working with these guys. Big sweet. I'm going to meet them in London on Tuesday. And they're basically, right now, it's very in the early stages, like it looks very messy, but this is going to be so nice. Basically, it's going to hopefully have like the different Twitter feeds and news feeds and Bloomberg and everything you can think of to do with news and fundamentals and stuff. You can have it all in one thing here. Rather than having like loads of different tabs open and stuff, you can also have like a risk calculator and stuff like that. So everything all in one little section, but it's going to look way nicer than this. At the minute, it's doesn't look the nicest, so potentially we'll see. I'll be meeting them on Tuesday, so if it goes well, then yes, we'll see. But if not, then I will never talk about them again. Week 7 of asking about breakout giveaway. Let me go on Telegram real quick. Let me message the guy. I'm pretty sure I messaged him and then he didn't reply. One sec. Yes, I messaged him and he never replied. I just said bumping this. Oh. Has his account been deleted? No, I don't think so. I've just messaged him again to try and get the giveaway. A 200k FTMO giveaway. You are crazy. If you think that is happening, no chance. That is quite a bit of money. I ain't spending 1,000. I don't know if I can do that, Lytic. Sorry. I'm very sorry. FTMO partnership. I don't think that one's happening either. I don't think they need a partnership. They just bought out Awanda for millions. Millions. I don't think MCR Trading giving them an extra $50 a month worth of sales really matters. Yeah. I was looking at like marketing positions at FTMO. Because I'd kind of like to work and help out a prop firm. I've done it before and it's actually really fun. So I was actually having a look, but you have to be located in Prague. So I was like, oh yeah, no, never mind. Probably Stratford cash if they just went, yeah. I don't think they really need our help. Right, yeah, we're good. We're all good. Are we good to disappear? Anyone see Kanye's tweets recently? He went trending. I think his account got deleted. Swear is it? I'm pretty sure it got deleted. The zone I showed you this morning. I think so, yeah. I didn't know what you say. I know, it's crazy. I know. China to impose 10 to 15% tariffs on US energy and vehicles. I mean, if anyone trades stocks, you got to hop in that quick. Honestly, trading just pure fundamentals on stocks. Let me post this. You could honestly just trade news on stocks. I used to do that. That was so fun. Back when I work at Tesco in the warehouse, I had like £500 in the stocks account. Whenever I saw like news release or like potential news releasing, or like Apple had earnings, or like I knew they had like a new iPhone releasing or something, I'd just like go and buy it a week before. And most of the time it actually worked fairly nicely. Bad picture, but it broke zone and went to 500. Oh yeah, I remember you saying that bit, yeah. I'm just looking at your recent searches. Lion Touch Axe. What's a Lion Touch Axe? He's looking at Viking axes. Sorry. Yeah, see you later, Lytix. Yeah, I'm gonna hop out.